Okay, y'all. I got a box today that came today. This is some of the. This is the food that Trump is gonna deliver to us, y'all. Look at this here. Okay. This is the food box and it's gonna come in this big styrofoam box, y'all. Look at this shit. Trump is not lying. He ain't playing. But look at this shit here, y'all. Look at the food, though. I want to say, Trump, fuck you, and I'm not eating your food. Look at this mess. Look at that. I don't know what that is. 20 of these here came in a box. This supposed to be chicken and cheese corn. This is the damn, look at that. So we supposed to eat this, y'all. Y'all see this shit? Look at this. Check this out, y'all. Look at our biscuit. Look at our biscuit. We got, Trump gave us some goddamn fucking, what's that supposed to be? Barbecue, pork, rib, and these is the biscuits. Hey, y'all, check the biscuits out. Look at the biscuits. See the biscuits? So, oh, yeah. Let me see that. That's our soup we gotta eat. Let me show you. Let me see the soup, Mom. That's supposed to be soup. This is the soup, y'all. Mama, hold it right. This is the soup, y'all. That we supposed to eat. And two of those is in the box, too. Trump got us fucked up, y'all. I can't believe this shit, though. He gonna take our shit away, give us some more dried ass biscuits. Look at this goddamn biscuit, y'all. Look at this shit. Look at that shit. Look at that. So this is what he gonna replace our food stamps with. Okay? But I don't get those motherfuckers no way, so fuck you, Trump. I don't get no fuck you. You know what I'm saying? You ain't doing me no goddamn favor. You could have kept all this shit in this box. Y'all ain't lying. And our food gonna come from UPS. We gonna get our shit delivered in the mail. Look at that biscuit. Hey, can somebody call Trump and tell him that? Ask him why the fuck our biscuit's so goddamn hard. Look at this shit. Ain't nobody we gonna be there. Ethiopian? No, people gonna be Ethiopian. Cause this shit finna get real, y'all.